Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome back to Bisaya Word of the Week. And today is the part 2 of the Common Bisaya Expression series. So I will continue with the numbering, alright? The first part was there are 10 expressions. So today I will also give you another 10 expressions. Number 11, it's Hulmigason baya mo. Hulmigason baya mo, okay? Typically used to describe sweet couple or lovers. So hulmigas means ants. Hulmigason means a surge of ants. Baya is like geez in English. Okay, so sometimes used to make sure something like an errand will be accomplished. That's the use of baya. Sometimes used to make an emphasis on disagreement, like wala baya. Okay, wala baya. So you really are saying that there was really nothing. Wala means nothing. Okay, wala baya. Okay, that's the meaning of baya. It's like geez in English. Mo means you guys. Okay, if you see a couple so sweet, very sweet, and are doing a PDA in front of you, you can say hulmigason baya mo. Okay, but do it when you are friends with those couple, because if you do it with a stranger, you might get into a fight. Okay, number 12, Puhon means God willing or hopefully. Example, magkita unya ta puhon. Hopefully we could meet up. Magkita is to meet up, or to meet, okay, and then unya later, or maybe in the near future. Okay, ta is a shortcut of kita, which means us. Okay, Puhon, God willing or hopefully. Number 13, Bongga. Bongga means extravagant, grand, amazing, extreme, or more than usual. Examples: gusto ko og bongga nga kasal. I want a grand wedding. Okay, I'll just break that down. Gusto means want. Ko is I or me. Og and nga, those are connecting words. Kasal, wedding. Okay, I want a grand wedding. Gusto ko og bongga nga kasal. So that is one example on how to use bongga. Next, number 14, Laysho. Laysho is from the word social, means fancy, elegant, expensive. Okay, Laysho. Example, Laysho kayo kaday. Okay, Laysho kayo kada means you look elegant, you look fancy. Okay, day is a girl. Okay, and another one is kalaysho good. It means so fancy. Kalaysho. Okay, number 15, Goryo-goryo. Goryo-goryo, we normally use this word when we know someone who is pretending not to know something. Okay, someone who commit a mistake or have feelings towards someone, good or bad, but denying it. And sometimes we say this to someone when we want them to be upfront, right? For example, Inday, naibog ka ni Dudong no? Okay, I'm too fast there. Inday, naibog ka ni Dudong no? Okay, I'll translate that. Inday, you have a crush on Dudong no? And then Inday would answer, wala oy. No, I don't. Or no, I'm not having a crush on him. And then the second person would say, Goryo-goryo pajud na siya, bisan obvious na kaayo. This sentence is like, stop denying it. It's very obvious. Okay, so goryo-goryo is like you don't, you're trying to hide something. Okay, so that is just one example of how to use the goryo-goryo. Number 16, Kayasa or Kayata. I really don't like to use this word because it's a bad word. All right, so it means fuck from the word kayat, which means sex. Personally, I don't really use this expression. This is very common with youngsters, especially the boys. So I really do not know if this phrase really boosts their ego, you know. So example, Kayasa bay, fuck. Fuck, man. So it's like that. Kayata ni mo bay, oy. It means fuck you. Kayata ni mo bay. But, I really don't like to, even to say this word makes me, it makes me feel weird. Alright. 17. Hasola. I love this word, really. Hasola, from the word hassle, which means bothersome, fuzzy, hassle, inconvenient. Okay. So example, Hasola ani niya oy. Hasola ani niya oy. It means he or she is very fussy. Okay. Ani is this, niya is him or her. Hasola ani niya oy. He's so bothersome, or she is so fussy, very fussy. Okay. Next. Nganong ni-enter? Okay, very, very common. Nganong ni-enter literally means why did you enter? Why did you enter? Okay. So we use this expression when someone got into trouble or misfortune due to bad decision. Whatever bad that happens to your friend or maybe to yourself, somebody would really say, "Nganong ni-enter?" It's like, you just made a bad decision. So we say, "Nganong ni-enter? Why did you do it?" It's like that. Number 19, Chaka. Chaka is a slang for ugly. Okay? When you heard this word, Chaka kaayo, Chaka means ugly. And then if you heard Chaka kaayo, the kaayo is very. That means really ugly. Okay? The last one, last nalang ka. Okay? Last nalang ka is actually, this phrase is present in the song You Really Need a Cebuana by Karinsita. Last nalang ka means a warning to stop what you're doing. We use it when we start to feel annoyed. Okay? When somebody somebody say this to you, you really need to stop, or else you're gonna, you are really going to have a fight with that person. Okay, that's the end of our part 2. So be sure to come back next week, Wednesday, Philippine time. Again, if you have any suggestions, comment down below, and I'll see you next week. Thank you for your time today. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, welcome back once again to the Bisaya Word of the Week series. Take 2.